clan first of all. Join my
dude, I'm not level 3 yet.
Oh, that's so sad. Sorry to say.
It's sad. It is sad.
Okay, join the friendly battle at Barbarian Ball.
Okay, dude, last friendly battle. We have to stop this episode.
No way. We gotta do more. It's fun. It's fun.
Okay, I hope you will like me doing this.
Combo move. Oh no. You jerk.
Yeah, I know I am.
You destroyed my combo. Oh my god.
It must have been like 2 seconds. I mean, like, you're like, okay, I'm so happy, I'm gonna win. A minute later, no! You killed
I
him.
hate your skeleton army and I hate you.
Wow, you're mean. We're cousins and you just said that. Oh, wow. I guess we're not friends then.
I seriously hate you for that. My god.
Hey, deal with it!
Yes! Get wrecked! Oh, baby dragon, thanks for dying on me. It's really nice of you.
Oh my god.
The pain and agony.
Oh god, this is gonna be the saddest moment for you in your life.
Yes, blow up! Oh, come on! I didn't even get close to blowing up, you stupid skeleton army.
And I hope you like, a giant.
Giants, yeah. Check that out. Goblin, bruh! Goblins.
Yeah, I hope you can give me for that.
The goblins, check that out. Dude, you just wasted your arrows. Yes. Oh, I got a pretty decent army coming through here. Let's go. Let's go. Look at that. Look at it. Oh, come on. Come on, the last one.
No!
Oh, you didn't even take out one building.
I did. Oh, yeah,
No, you
I didn't.
You didn't take any buildings.
Maybe.
Oh.
Okay, one last battle.
Nah, come on. We're going to do more than just one more.
Okay, fine, 2 more.
3
Oh, good.
Oh my god, I just can't believe you didn't take out any. Sorry, man. There's no time for... Thanks. I'm just going to say thanks. I'll relive the next episode.
I just said oops because I was just so dumb. And like putting my arm in like
Honestly,
not.
Clash of Clans should make some more text. This is just cringe. Oops, wow. Jeez, it's just cringe.
Hey, you just said Clash of Clans instead of Clash Royale.
Clash Royale. I don't care. They're both basically... No, actually, they're not the same.
Yes, of course they're not the same. This is way different than Clash Royale.
Shush, they're both equally as dumb. Wait, then why am I playing it?
Yeah. So, you just got burned by your own self. Yeah.
By your own self? Dude, there's something called grammar, and like, you know, just study it. Go back to school and ask them, what is grammar, spelling, and everything to do with literature, because you just said, you just roasted your own self. That's why people made yourself, so you don't have to say your own self.
You just burned yourself.
Yes, and so did you.
No, dude.
Yes, you did. Oh my god.
Wait, what year are you in?
You burn yourself.
Dude, what year are you in? What year?
Sad.
Huh?
That's so sad. You didn't even, dude, that's pretty sad though. You didn't take down one building of mine.
No, but like, no. Dude, what year are you in? 5?
I ain't telling you nothing.
Dude, are you in year 5?
I'm telling you.
Okay, guys, so, is that the end?
No, more battles.
Dude, seriously, my audio is gonna die in a few minutes.
You said one more battle then. Fine, just do one more battle. It's pretty good.
Good luck.
So let's go. I'm just gonna take this Goblin Barrel Expo.
Boom, boom.
Anime Expo.
I hope you can forgive me for this.
Are you even? Oh my god. I just freaking come on.
Oh my god. You're like, oh my gosh, Expo. And then a minute later you're like, Are you serious? I am very serious.
You're a jerk.
Nope. I'm just a revenger.
Wish. There's no word.
No word coming out of your mouth that's gonna relate to my army? No, I don't think so.
I just killed your army. You're that stupid. I just killed your army. Bruh. Oh.
Oh no. That's gonna.
Damn. Daniel. It's so out of trend, I know, but it's just cool.
Why would you say Daniel? My name's not Daniel.
Because you sound like a Daniel. I don't know.
How does a Daniel even sound like?
You sound like, I don't know, you just sound weird. I know, I don't get. Yep, you can talk, Ryan, but you can't play well, so. Ryan, you have a big mouth for someone with such a small body.
I'm taller than you.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Little stick.
I am very taller than you.
Okay, I'm joking. We're joking. We're still best friends. Yeah, guys.
Yeah, yeah. You know what? He's right.
Don't worry, guys. We're still best friends.
We're always best friends. So yeah, guys. Please like and subscribe to the video. And yeah.
And don't forget to write in the comment section below. Hashtag Wildfire wins.
Dude, for someone who's
Get wrecked,
dude,
hashtag
for someone who's level, dude, for someone.
Guys, don't forget to write in that comment section below. Hashtag Wildfire wins and hashtag Get wrecked Spartan. Come on.
Oh yeah, and guys, check this out. You can see that he's level 4. He has 872 trophies, and I beat him once. I only have like 30 trophies. How could I beat him?
Because I didn't really think that you'd be good at all. So that kind of explains a lot.
Okay, so yeah, guys. I'm going to say it again. Only once and only twice. So please like and subscribe and leave a comment down below of what Wildfire just said.
Wildfire won and Spartan's terrible.
And yeah, I hope you liked it. And Spartan UNSC56 out.
Walking alone, the streets are empty.